Hey guys, Jonas and I are stopping by the Madison Eastery store. They're not even putting fans out for sale right now. They're scrapping most of them. We pulled a couple cool things out of the scrap. You guys will see what those are later. Let me show you what's out on the sales floor. So one of the reasons I came back in here to do a video, none of the fans and lights are particularly cool, but this is incredibly cool. Okay, little hugger. As you can see, not much. This is the other one. This is the only other one I thought about buying just as a transplant for Newtone. And okay.